Hi everybody, my name is Coach Erica, and today I have a video on how to show you how to make a beam with a towel. I would only do this if you have carpets. I wouldn't suggest wood floors because then you'll just kind of slide all over the place. If you do have wood floors, something you could do is just take two lines down and just make sure that they are 4 inches apart. But if you have a towel, I'm going to be using a beach towel, but you can use a regular towel. So it's kind of long. I'm going to stand up. So first I'm going to fold it in half long ways. All right. And I'm going to put it on the ground just so I can kind of even things out. There. All right. Oh no, you cannot see. I'm going to bring the camera down. Awesome. Okay. So from here, you're going to fold to the middle. Don't fold all the way to the other side, if that makes sense. Yep, here you go. I'm going to guesstimate about 4 inches because I don't have a ruler. Then I'm going to fold the other side in to the middle. I'm going to flip it over. You can see all the designs, and then you got a snazzy beam. See if I can show you. There you go. And you stand on it like it's a beam, and you can practice that balance since we're not at the gym. Woo! Enjoy!